listeners, Harika here, and I'm super excited to welcome you to UppTalk. If you're ready to learn and get your hands work wonders in the world of information technology, then you're in the right place. When I say UppTalk, we are not just another edtech company. Consider we are your learning partner committed to unlocking your full potential. Whether you're stepping into the world of technology for the first time or looking to advance your career, we provide top-tier, hands-on courses to build up your career. Let's take our first step towards learning here and explore it.
If you want to create a scheduled purchase order from it, do you want to create manual invoices from the supplier contract? Do you want to click on manual purchase orders? Do you want to allow catalog from this one? Yes or no? Receive contract line, create obligations, renewal terms, and all this. Let's create one. And we'll see Olive Garden. Olive Garden. Contract. Get all different. Features. If you know, let's see it one by one. If I hit schedule invoices, see, if I hit schedule invoices, then it disables two options here. I uncheck this. And if I hit schedule purchase orders, then this gets unchecked. And they still enable, like click on this checkbox here to get manual invoices. And I can still go ahead and click on allow catalog items. But once I do that, then I don't get this option to be clicked on. I just uncheck this and I'll say renewal terms. And here we go. We'll see different features now. It's about schedule, purchase orders, and manual invoices. If I hit, and now let's create one more. We'll see Olive Garden. Like this Olive Garden. Scheduled purchase orders and manual invoices. Use for scheduled purchase orders. And manual invoices. Now we'll say OG. Scheduled invoices. To be used for demoing. Scheduled invoices. Let's hit on this one. Then they got disabled here. It's fine. You click on manual purchase orders. And you still get the options to create renewal terms here. First, let's use this one. This is OG schedule invoices only, and OG schedule purchase orders and manual invoices. We create this one and hit here. Then who is the contract? Especially, let's say there is a Tarana here. Contract name. Schedule, purchase order, and manual invoices demo started. Put it like Alazola 1.1.2 contract signed. It is also same, and let's say 2031-2022. Contract amount is, let's say, 2,000. And it's not on hold, we'll say automatically renew this. The buyer is also Terra's Ferrano issue option by email. Payment terms. Net 4 days from supplier payment term bill to addresses this 10th cross notice period. Now we will not even notice period contract overview to see the demo of. Should you purchase orders line number? Let's say 1. This is one item was ticket, those tickets. Yes, open category entertainment. Here only unit of measure is each unit cost. Let's say this will be 12,000, each 12,000. If you do not want to renew this, click on this checkbox here, and if you want to, then the real one will be like 12,000 again or 14,000, whatever it is. Let's not use this option for now. Let's put the 1/1/2022 and it will be on 12/1/2022. Looks nice. Let's start with submit now. We are still getting the error here. Because with the type we had selected renewal term, let's say the amount will be $12 in the coin will be 12. Renewal term is required, must have a value. Renewal term. Where is that renewal term? Let's see, it will be 12 months. The term would be frequency. A month is fine. After months. Still one error, select madam, that is not already in use. On the contract for the same company. A company has planned ship to address. And let's see, that's what she got. One error, and that is select an item that is already not in use. But why do you have an issue with this item here? Let's postage MacBook here, but that will create the asset. We don't want that. Let's go to all items. Coffee cup. That's it, great. Now what? Now this is done. First, we'll look at the line level related action. What access we get here? We've got a business process with the TiVo security, favorites at integration reporting. That's fine. The process is. Now let's look at the header levels. At the header level, we have got create purchase offer schedule. We do that method like spread, even or defined installments. I can set 12 installments here. A frequency would be monthly. Schedule found at 2001 and number of installments is 12. If you want, you can define a purchase order type also from here. We'll just say goods, issue option, like when how you want to issue this view to the supplier. We are saying by email, we email, and this will be payment terms. Auto submit this view for approval bill. To contact is this person. This is the line selected and hit save and continue. Once we come to the screen, we have to go to this generate installments, and then we have to generate the 12 installments for this year. Once you click on this, it will show 12 lines here like this and the amount of each. Why is not showing 12,000? Quantity amount. It cancel. Yes, that is fine. That's what I'm saying. Cancel you. Yes, that's fine. Yes, let's see what happens too. The amount is 0. A purchase order is this installment. If I go to this, add it, installment hold. It is showing 1000 here, which is fine, but why not the amount here? What from this installment lines is letting why it is not showing even once again. Fix it. Oops, why, what the? The minute order is 12,000. Contract line coin, 12 metric measures. Each external amount 12,000. Contract amount is 12,000. Good then, what's the issue with you? Maybe access, maybe because buyer is there is around. Let's say contract start now, it's better. Because of the access only was not very any option. Good 1,000 each. The schedule is submitted now approved. Fine installments. Let's create the purchase order $1,000, which is good. Refresh, it's completed. This is our PO number. Now we have to issue this to the supplier. Issue refresh. Issue order refresh. Successfully completed. This is our PPTF. This is like a standard layout, but in real world it would be more colorful and more informative layout, which you would be sharing with the supplier to send the goods or services to us. For that, there is a tool called Workday Studio, which is used by the integration folks and the EE certified consultants. There is a separate like Workday training on that given to those consultants, which is they learn how to use that Workday Studio tool and the designs layouts. But for now, we'll just go back to our PO, this issue right now, and if you see the related action from here and the line level, you just get these options and hit here. You can again create a receipt. We'll say fully received. We'll hit submit here back on to Teresa Serrano. No worries, we'll just dedicate this task to someone else. To the other side, oh, this is in process tree and I'm waiting action. We'll do one of us work here. Well, let's stop proxy. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@uptalk.com.